What's up, guys? Okay, y'all, for this DIY, you're gonna need some old pantyhose or some tights, scissors, some tapestry needles, some thread or like twine, and some stuffing. So let's get started, guys. Okay, first things first. First, you're gonna take your pantyhose and we're just gonna cut it off at the seat, the leg, or what have you. Hope y'all still can see it. So this is the foot, this is your crotch area. Never thought I'd be saying that on film. But anyway, so we're gonna just cut it right at the crotch area. Can you see? Try to get some sharper scissors than myself. And then just gonna put the rest away. So you just have your little leg with the foot. Alrighty. And so right here, then I'm gonna just take this part. You could cut it in half, but I guess I'm gonna say like about half, I guess. Cut it in half. The leg. But all parts you can use. So you can cut it as much as you would like. And there you have it. Okay? And so, guys, now we'll get ready for the next step. Alrighty, then you're going to take the foot of the stocking, take your stuffing, hope you can still see, and then we'll just stuff this bad boy in there. I want you to get it all the way to the toe of the thing, so it is dang near translucent. So once it's to the toe, then it looks like such. And then I want you to just make a knot out of it. Oh yeah. And then you can kind of squish it out some more. But that's your little knot. I ended up making 2 knots because I wanted the stem to be a little taller. So I just made another knot on top of that. So once you have the stem the height that you want, just cut it. Can y'all see? Of course you can't see. Just cut it. And so then that's how it looks. Nice and cut. Okay, guys. Next, add your twine or your thread to your needle. I have it on with a long tail that y'all can't see because I want to just go through the pumpkin. So make sure the tail is long on your pumpkin. On your thread. Alrighty. So now y'all saw that. So then I'm going to take the pumpkin and insert it as close to the stem as possible. Can y'all see that? And it's just simple, guys. Be very careful and just insert it. As well, everything. I'm not trying to puncture myself. There we go. We are. And just pull it through, guys. I'm basically pulling the tail through. And so that's your first. So now since your tail is so long, and then you're just gonna continue doing that. Hold on, guys. So now it's at the bottom, as you see. And so then go back to the top. I'll try to come back almost in the same hole that you did, but just close to it. And then this should create your first line for your pumpkin. And there you have it, your first little line. And then you can just continue that same process through until you have completed the whole pumpkin. And I'll be right back, guys. Okay, guys, once you have made all your lines, I can't see it. Once you have made all the lines on your pumpkin, I'm just going under each line that I made with my thread or whatever that you're using, just to make sure they all pulling nice and tight. Now y'all could and so I did that for all of them. I went under all of them. And I'm just gonna make a knot, guys, some kind of way. You already know how my life works. You don't really want to participate. You just make a knot, look, y'all, some kind of way. Take a I'm just making a knot. Feel like I needed to do it again, but I'm just making a knot, guys. Get it? Do you have fat fingers? This is not the easiest. How fat can you chip? Oh yeah. And then you have all your little lines for your pumpkin. And then you can tuck that better. Then for your stem, I'm just gonna take the rest of this thread, and I'm just gonna go around that part that we made a knot. Can y'all see that? I'm just gonna twirl that around the stem until it's complete. I'll be right back, guys. And there you have it, guys, the finished product. Now I did have to end up using hot glue to make sure the stem, the thread didn't come from the stem, but that's the only part I put hot glue on, guys. I think it turned out real cute. Now I wanted my pumpkin to be a little, a little fancy, but I'm pretty sure that you might can paint it orange or whatever color you like, white pumpkins or what have you. I'm pretty sure you can color it using fabric paint. I would recommend fabric paint. Um, but I wanted mine to be black, and then I was gonna add like a fake spider to mine or whatever. So I think I'm gonna make some more of these. Even with the part that you cut, I think you should be able to like knot it up, flip it inside out, and then stuff it. So you should get a nice amount of little bitty pumpkins from just one pair of stockings. I'm not quite sure how many you can get, but hey, it's some used stockings. Go for it, see how many you can get. But I think it turned out so cute, guys. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. If you like this video, go ahead and hook me up with a thumbs up. I see you guys next Sunday. Can't wait to put my fake spiders on here. Deuces.